Hey guys, first I'm going to start in with my Mario Badescu facial spray in lavender and chamomile. I'm going to go in my Farzali Rose Gold Elixir in 24 karat gold. I'm going to go in my Drunk Elephant Pulpatide Moisturizer. Now I'm going to add my Ole Henriksen Banana Eye Cream. Now I'm going to add my Haldi Eyes by Farzali. Brows, I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in dark brown. I'm just going to fill in the sparse areas since I have thick eyebrows. To clean my brows, I'm going to go in my e.l.f. Camouflage Concealer in Fair using my Sephora brush. To prime my face, I'm going to use my Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. I love it. I'm going to go in my ABH Eyeshadow Primer. My Morphe 350 palette, I'm going to use this base shade all over my lid. My Morphe blending brush. I'm going to go with my pink and yellow eyeliner from NYX. First, I'm going to take the pink liner and draw in the inner corner, then take the yellow and connect it towards the end. Next, to do a perfect wing like so. Now I'm going to use my Milk Kush mascara. Then I'm going to put my NYX Jumbo Milk eyeliner in my waterline. I'm going to go in with my Duo Glue and my Bees Angel lashes in short. I'm going to go in with my ABH Luminous Foundation in 300C. I'm going to go in with my NARS Concealer in Marron Glacé and my Bobbi Brown Concealer in Natural. Bake my face, I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder in Blondie. Add some more to my face, I'm going to go in with my Omega Bronzer by Marc Jacobs in Fantastic. I'm going to go in with my Shiseido Blush in Chiquioto and apply that all over my face to give a drunk blush vibe. Drugstore Liquid Brown Eyeliner, I'm going to do some faux freckles. Going in with my Bobbi Brown highlighter in Moonlight to highlight the highest points of my face. Going in with my red lip liner by Marc Jacobs. Then I'm going to add my Fenty Beauty in Diamond Balm to give the perfect red glossy lip. To finish off this look, I'm going to spray my face with my ABH Dewy Spray. For my hair, I'm going to spray my hair with the Milk Conditioner by Morphose and the Milk Mousse Leave-In Conditioner by Morphose as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this look as much as I did, and keep being you.